What's going on, everybody? It's your fave, and we are here on this beautiful Vermont day. The trees are green, spring is nearly ending. Maybe we'll get some consistent warm weather here the next couple of weeks. But today we are on our way to pick up Nick, my best friend in the whole world since I was in middle school, and I am going to take him for a ride on the back of the giveaway bike. The break-in's nearly complete, so before all the mods and stuff get added to the bike, I feel like this is the best time to do it. And I may moderately scare him a little bit, but then right after everything is said and done, once we get to where we're going, I'm going to try to get him to let me teach him how to ride on the Z125. So I think it'll be funny to give him like some crazy hooligan experience of a ride and then be like, so you want to learn how to ride one? Because if anyone on here who knows Nick, he is super quiet, and this is so far out of his comfort zone or anything that he would actually do that it would be hilarious. And on the off chance that he says yes to letting me teach him how to ride, it will be an insanely fun summer from here forward, because I will literally get this dude a bike so that he can ride with me the whole rest of the summer. And I'll just have him like ride one of my other ones. But I definitely think it would be really cool to get my best friend, who does pretty much everything with me except anything motorcycle related, on board with the biking. That would be honestly a dream come true, because then it's like my brother literally just hopping on a bike, going for a ride with me, catching content, making videos and stuff with him. I know you guys see a lot of solo content on my pages, and that's because I don't really trust a lot of people to, be on a bike or around me with a bike, just because not everybody knows how to leave the ego at the door. So more often than not, people will either go down or just try riding above their level, or try to get you to do a hell ride with them, and I always say just ride your own ride, and it's your job to make sure that you get home safe at the end of each of your rides. So at least if I teach him how to ride, I know that he's going to ride exactly how I want him to ride until he gets comfortable enough on the bike to choose how he wants to ride. On our way to go get Nick. On our way to go get Nick. Sheesh. Where'd all this traffic come from today? This is kind of cuckoo. There's so much. It's so nice out that everybody and their mom is outside right now. I forgot my GoPro 360 camera so that we can see Nick's reaction behind us. Damn it. Alright, we'll figure something out. Maybe I'll make him hold my phone out the whole time. No, I'm just kidding. That would be stupid. Alright, we'll see what we can make out of this video without having the 360 camera. Is that a Busa? It is too damn hot and too much traffic out here to be sitting on a thick Busa. Always red. We love red. That was a good one. That felt good. I hope I got that on camera. Acquired Nick, and the RPMs are gonna stay relatively low until we get to the interstate. All right, do you want to take the highway so you get there quicker, or do you want to take back roads?
Back roads.
All right, he has chosen the back roads.
Sounds a little less stressful. Also, I know if we go on the highway, you're gonna go like 3 million miles per hour. So no, not today.
All right, so no 3 million miles an hour on the highway, but little does he know that the Susie Wilson little freeway is gonna be just as quick.
There's no handles for. I mean, I guess I could do this.
What'd you say?
There's no handles.
No.
Okay, right.
You can pull my sweater if you feel like you need handles or something. What do you think of the color of that BMW?
Ugly as shit.
This boy brave, he already let go. He's not even holding on anymore. How bad is it up there?
What do you mean?
Like being on the back, not too bad?
The seat's a little bit of a weird angle, so it's kind of hard to sit down, but I mean, it's fine.
Okay. So this hand goes here. All right, so on a scale of 1 to 10, how horrible is that?
That wasn't that bad. That was pretty normal.
Perfect. Because this one's for you.
Oh, God.